Hey guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DinOnlinePitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called The1Bundle. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the1Bundle works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on September 21st at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to the one bundle when it goes live. And the best part is you can actually get a discounted price for the digital product launch during this launch period of the one-bundle. And this is a limited time offer, so make sure that you pick this up before the price will go up soon. Now to get this discounted price, you can click on the link down below in this video, and then you can go ahead and check out this page over here. This is my bonus page, and I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here. And then I will show you on how to get this product from here, so you can actually retrieve this free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. Just keep an eye on to my bonus banner here and we'll go from there. Now over here, I'm gonna be showing you one of the login for the one-bundle. So there's 4 of them. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the one-bundle. So now to put it briefly, the one-bundle is actually there's a 4 software that you can get access to Moshberry's products in one bundle for a small one-time price. Now each of the products you'll get access to the Host Z Prezzo, and you can get access to Drive Z Prezzo, and here is the Mail Z Prezzo, and then the 4th one would be the Funnel Z Prezzo. Now each of these products you can actually have you will have this incomplete set for your own marketing needs, so that you can use these software and then you don't have to pay for subscription fees, because in reality, once you have each of the softwares, you can actually end up paying subscription fees. But then if you just started with the online marketing, this is going to help you not be able to pay more money for these products. Now the one-bundle has everything you need to make it easier than ever to make more money with less time and effort, and more profitable that you likely ever thought possible. Now the one-bundle free is 100% newbie friendly and is designed with marketers in mind, by people who've been exactly where you're today and had to learn the hard way how to succeed in spite of exorbitant fees and service charges. Now Moshberry's team is going to be helping you and will be dedicated to making your products as easy as you can. If you have any questions about each product, you can actually ask for support help over in one of the softwares here. I'm going to be showing you where it's at later in this video. The team is actually dedicated to making their products better every day based on real-time suggestions from users like you. So this is one of the things that I like about these softwares here, because they are legit and they actually make these softwares better, so that you don't get the bugs when you start using this softwares. Now I want to talk about the benefits of the one-bundle. Now the benefits of this product is that this one-bundle has everything you need for one-time low-cost free, and it's got 0 restrictions. You can get unlimited hosting, 100% uptime, and you get the unlimited SSL encryption with 1 click of WordPress installation. Get unlimited cloud storage and file backup. You will be able to get a professional infrastructure. Comes with an unlimited autoresponder emails with one of the softwares that I'm going to be showing you later. It's got stunning drag and drop websites, world-class sales funnels as well, gorgeous done for you graphics, and it's got the dedicated webinars in one of these platforms here too. And then you don't need to have any of these technical skills or prior experience to make every last one of these tools that brings you money. And then this product is actually 100% newbie friendly. Like I said, if you have any questions about this, then I'm going to be showing you a demo of how this works, and it also comes with 24/7 support from technical specialists. Could be customer service questions, then you can ask them about it, and they actually have their support is actually they have customer pro service and also marketing masterminds when it comes to your questions about the product. Now here is the host Z Prezzo. So this is the hosting that I was talking about, and it's the most budget friendly type of hosting, and you spend less but have fewer options and less control. Now this comes with the bundle of the one bundle product, and so this is where you can log into your control panel, and you can pretty much log in here, and then here's instructions on how to connect to domain to server here. So all you got to do is follow the instructions here, or training and tutorials will be provided by clicking on that one, and then right over here is where you can contact the support desk. So if you have any questions, click on here, then you'll be able to ask questions to them about this product. So over here is this is just the pro, if you want to unlock the unlimited pro upgrade here. So if you go here up onto the bottom, so I don't know if you see that one because I went too quickly. So basically once you click on here, it's going to take you over here. You're going to have to scroll all the way down, and here are the training sections of the host Z Prezzo. So you watch each of these training videos here. It's gonna pretty much explain to you on how to set up your hosting here for the host Z Prezzo. Now on to Drive Z Prezzo here. This is pretty much how you can upload your file here, and this is where you can add storage to your product here, or for your like for example your graphics here. So pretty much this is where you can let me see here, it's loading. You can add all your graphics here, and pretty much you can share it with whoever you want to share. And then like here, as you can see here, you can add as much of the graphics that you'd like to add in here. All you got to do is create a folder, and then just put everything that you need for you to add all your graphic stuff here. All right, so this is the Drive Z Prezzo. So Z Drive, or what if you try to remember what it is, like you save all your stuff in here, so that's why they call it Drive Z Prezzo. Here is the Mail Z Prezzo. Now again, this is where you can use this for your email, sending your campaigns by pretty much this is where you can collect your emails or sending emails to your list, as you can see here. So you can get credits on how many that you can send to your email list, but then you get the unlimited to sending credits. And here is the campaign, so you can only create 30% of the campaign. And here is the list. You can pretty much get unlimited list over here and unlimited subscribers. So this is like a the version of the email marketing tool. So basically this is kind of like GetResponse or MailChimp, Aweber. So all those email lists that you're paying for monthly subscriptions. So this is the email marketing list that you can pretty much use for Mail Z Prezzo. And again, this is part of the bundle of the one-bundle product. Now over here is the Funnel Z Prezzo. So this is where you create your landing page. Here's where you can pretty much look at your templates that you'd like to create for your landing page. So as you can see here, you can pretty much I would select this. So pretty much you know, for example, you can preview this one here, or you can build your landing page here. So this is all your landing page creation for the Funnel Z Prezzo. Okay, so here you can see your leads here. This is where you can take a look at your leads here, so you can see how many leads you're getting. You have to make sure that you publish your landing page here. So by doing that, is here is where you can start creating your landing page there, and then you select a template of your choice. Now once you've done that, then you can publish it. So this is how the funnel Z Espresso works, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see here, now remember, the host Z Espresso is the hosting. Host Z, this is actually the training that comes with it. Okay, so over here, this is the training that I was talking about earlier. Now this is the Drive Z Espresso. You can save all your files in here in this one drive. Now here is your autoresponder or email marketing list, which is the Mail Z Espresso, and right here is the Funnel Z Espresso, where you can create your landing pages so that you can send it to your leads, and you'll be able to collect all your leads into this platform here. So that's pretty much how the one bundle works. And then you can get this all for free because it's the bundle for all of this 4 of the softwares in this product here. Now I'm gonna be talking about my bonus page here. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for you, those of you who like to pick this up, by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And then if you want to pick up the one bundle, this is going to go live on September 21st. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these green buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here is, so it's not yet live. So I thought it was live, but then once it goes on live, then you'll be able to see the green button here where you can get access to the one bundle for you to purchase in this sales page. Now when you can, that's where you can go ahead and pick that up in a different open tab here. You're gonna see it here by tomorrow when it goes live. Now you'll need to pick up one bundle before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses here, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in this description video here, and then just scroll down and click on any of these green buttons here to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about the bonuses, you can follow me on my Facebook page, where you can find down below here onto my picture here. Just send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge instantly. You will get my bonuses right away as soon as you make a purchase of the one bundle for a one-time price of $17. Now, also you can upgrade the front-end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now please consider by checking out the upgrades. If you want to increase your chances of earning more money, you can actually go right ahead and click on the upgrades here. I'm going to be adding it in here because I haven't updated my upgrades for my bonus page, but just wanted to show you the available upgrades for this will be updated onto my bonus page here. Now when you click the link down below on this video to purchase the one bundle, I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses. Now this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below of my videos, and if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in this description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of the one bundle. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 24th. So make sure that you look out for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $17. Now that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my The1Bundle review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, so make sure to click the link below to purchase The1Bundle at a discounted price. Now also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.